In this video, I will show you how to turn long videos into shorts with OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you want to upload your long form video into OpusClip. You can either upload a video from your desktop, or if you have it on YouTube, you can simply copy and paste that link into OpusClip. You then have AI clipping options and quick presets that you can choose from. Once you have selected your options, simply select Get Clips in one click. Once your video has finished processing and uploaded to OpusClip, the AI scans your video and finds the best highlight moments. OpusClip then puts your videos in order based on the score. So you can see that my first clip has a 99 score, my second clip has a 94 score, and you can see that the score starts going down. You can review these clips and make any edits that you need to make. You can add captions, you can reframe or shorten the videos. Once you are happy with your changes and edits, you can then export and download your video and upload it to your desired social media platform. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.